Eu sou o João, e esse é o canal Love Crazy Game. E nós estamos aqui com o episódio de novo, Among Us, o 5º já. Então vamos lá jogar. Vamos aqui iniciar o episódio 5. Episódio 5. Tan, tan. Tan, 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 tan. Sai desse corpo que não te pertence. Bota uma música enquanto carrega.
Piradinha, ela tá maluca, ela tá doidinha. Piradinha.
Your eyes and the teeth.
Desculpa, não, galera. Esse foi um problema na câmera, meu Deus do céu, que puto. Mas já voltamos.
Not if I can avoid it.
Tudo piriguete aí, ó.
Meu bonequinho.
Coloca ela aqui, ó. Caveira amaldiçoada.
No.
Ei!
Holly's sister, Lily.
I just don't know what
Vai matar
Bigby's
ela?
doing. If he cares about it. If he even gives a shit.
Olha as espinhas que ela tem no queixo.
That's why you can't tell me anything.
Sabe quem é essa?
It's the ribbon.
É a
isn't it?
sereia.
É?
We're
Eu vou
destroying the
passar
tree.
no cu, sabe?
No!
We're not burning the tree, Snow.
Hey, you're not really gonna send me to the farm, are you?
I don't know. Snow will come around. She's just...
Então, nossa amiga Rihanna já
Thing
voltou
hit her
depois de
hard
ter
and
colocado a mão
she doesn't really know who her friends
essa
are
aqui,
right
ó,
now.
que eu botei no cu. Essa parte foi triste ver essa parte.
Oh,
Bigby!
This time was no joke. Eat as many metal shellings as you see fit, but take just one more silver round near your heart, and the only place I'll be visiting you is the morgue.
Bigby, wait. When you get the
Bigby,
crooked
espera.
man, make sure you bring him back
Ele é Big
alive.
Big, nosso
He
personagem.
has to stand trial.
Sempre estaremos com você, Big Big.
Why don't you have a
O homem
seat,
torto.
Sheriff? We have a
Eu tô
great
explicando pra
deal
Rihanna
to
porque ela não sabe,
discuss.
né? É de todos os contos de fada juntos. Só desse boneco. Eu não sei o que esse boneco tem. Que toda vez... Deixa eu mostrar pra câmera. Eu não sei, Rihanna. Eu não sei o que esse boneco tem. Esses 10 bonecos. Toda... Abaixa mais. Que toda pessoa que vem aqui traz desse boneco. Só. Eu não acredito que caiu dentro do lixo, não. Caiu
e
dentro
eu
do lixo.
cuspi lá.
Fazer o quê? Não há nada a fazer. A vida consegue. Só.
E aí, galera, a gente já está jogando. Já vai começar.
You've come a long way.
Começando. Temos aí a história do homem torto na parede.
must be tired.
Big Big. Velho, no 4º episódio foi muito lag isso. Ele pegou o cigarro, quando ele acendeu o isqueiro, quando ele acendeu o isqueiro, que ele botou no cigarro, ele... Aí corta. Foi muito lag.
And if my envoys
Temos
are
aí o
correct,
Jesse demoníaco, que tá assustado porque a presença é o certo.
please, Sheriff,
Demora
relax
pra
for a
começar.
moment, will you?
Fábulas criada por
Do
Bill
you want a drink?
Willingham.
Something to eat? Vivian makes a very nice...
Eu gostaria de uma
very-
bebida, não somos amigos,
It's
estou aqui
elegant.
por um motivo.
Really,
Qual?
carpaccio. It's lobster. Sirloin.
Não sou
Don't misunderstand the situation here. We are not friends. You're in no position to offer me anything.
On the contrary, Sheriff. And I don't wish to contradict you here, but your initiative and mine have been friendly for a long while now. Ever since I came aboard these
Está
shores.
acabado.
You know,
Yeah? Well, you can forget all that. It's over with.
Foi assim, ó.
Porque ele é o homem torto, tudo nele é torto. O olho, tá?
What do you think you're
a
doing?
boca.
He's gonna.
Mr. Wolf is our guest, and I have every intention of cooperating. So don't waste the silver. Sit down, Jersey.
Cabeçudo esse homem.
Que você não vê ele transformado.
Well, Sheriff, for the sake of
Okay.
transparency, why don't you tell us why you're here? It would help settle
Você
everyone's
matou aquelas
nerves.
mulheres, vou tentar te matar. Você está destruindo essa cidade.
You know
Você-
why I'm here. You killed those women.
Ele é o principal suspeito que matou
Faith
ele.
and Lily, the girls who worked at the
Não,
pudding and
o
pie.
homem todo.
Did I
Esse
now?
cara aí, ó.
I assume by
Ele é o
your
principal
confidence in
suspeito.
accusing me, you
A boca
must have
dele é
some
torta.
proof of this, yes? Some allotment
Eu
of
sei
evidence.
que você fez
The
esse
witness
dia, você
perhaps.
disse que você fez isso, não precisa. Eu não preciso,
I don't
não!
need evidence. I don't carry a badge, there's no appeals, and you're guilty until I say otherwise. That's how this works.
I'm sorry, Sheriff. I wish you had me dead to rights. I really do, for your own sake. But no, I didn't kill anyone. Those women. I don't relish telling you that the killings were perpetrated by an employee of mine. It's a very unfortunate bit of business, but I promise you that the matter will be dealt with internally. I just want to settle the issue for
Quem
you
fez isso? Eu
and
sei
to
quem
assure
fez
you
isso.
that it's over with.
Eu
You
sei quem
really
fez isso.
don't need to worry yourself further.
I already know who did it.
Forgive me, Sheriff, for doubting your acumen, but who do you think committed these crimes?
Foi o George, foi
I hope you don't still think I did it.
Eu vou
I have my
chutar.
bad
Eu acho que eu
habits,
vou aplicar
but
nesse
manslaughter
daqui.
isn't one of them.
It was Georgie, all right?
Well done, Sheriff. I'm sorry I doubted you. However, like I said, I'd be handling the matter if you don't mind.
Eu acertei?
Yeah, I killed him, so what?
Acertei, boy! Dri, fui na cagada.
You should have just get your
Socado.
nose where it fucking belonged. Get your hands off me!
Look, the fact is, George here misinterpreted one of my instructions.
Misinterpreted?
And I want to make things right. So, let's work something out.
What's there to work out? I'm protected, aren't I?
Your protection has limits, and I think you've far exceeded yours. But you could murder someone in cold blood like that.
You fucking asked me to do this!
And then
you told me
attempt
to
to
kill
blame
him!
me for it. You will be silent while we discuss what to do with you.
Silent.
This is right, bollocks, sis! You're just gonna let him do this?
So what do you say, Sheriff? Can we discuss terms? You can have Georgie. Consider it a
Bem, vamos
gift,
conversar. Sem
ensuring
atraso. Eu levarei
our
vocês.
continued cooperation.
What the hell?
Take this
Vamos
fucker.
conversar.
Take all of them.
Se
I
ela
didn't
levar o
fuck
George, que é o culpado
You
dessa
can't just hand me over.
Ele fez,
What the fuck is this shit? You said you'd cover for us.
For minor infractions, not murder.
Just go with him, Georgie. You're gonna sink us all.
What's wrong with you people? You're really gonna sell him out just like
You
that?
think I give a fuck if I'm the one? Who the shit do you think you fuckers
Get
are?
the fuck out of
I
here.
do apologize, Sheriff,
Esses
but I
desgraçados
think it's best if
miseráveis.
you leave now.
There's no way I'm going with him. Are you kidding me?
Things are about to get unpleasant, and I would rather you weren't here to watch.
You can go join that whore at the bottom of the lake for all I give a shit. But he's not taking me anywhere. I'll roll over on the lot of you before I let that shit happen.
What are you saying?
Get the fuck away from me. He's the one you fucking want.
This could have gone so well. But you just had to complicate things. To speak the truth, I've never been a very good mediator. Why negotiate when you can just decide?
Que lag, boy. Maria Sangra aqui no espelho. Meu Deus. Isso foi sobrenatural, né?
Did I miss anything good? Well, look at you, all fixed up.
Ai,
Aí ele, na verdadeira forma dele. Vou pegar esse daqui, vou pegar esse daqui. Que?
Over here.
Over here. Ah! Errado.
You're done, Wolf.
Come on, we're pretty much done here.
pegar o George. Não!
I'd like to say it was nice knowing you, but I'll be glad to see your insides turned out.
Oh, God.
Ai. Agora. Quer ver?
This way.
Vamos lá. Vamos matá-los. Matá-los não, que eu não sou assassino. Vamos prendê-los. Principalmente o George.
Nossa, velho, estou toda doída.
O que será?
Come on,
Shit!
I know.
Meu irmão não me conta.
Rápido, pegar o carro. Aí o tempo pode caminhar. Vamos lá, Big que? Vamos lá, Big. George, homem torto. Vamos, George! Aí, George.
What was that?
Que foi ele que matou a garota. O alvo principal, George.
Take him off!
Se segura, Big, porque nós vamos pegar esse maldito lobo. Eu vou pegar eu mesmo. Meu Deus. Vamos pegar esse maldito George.
Go, Ned.
Are you sure?
Do it!
He's not moving.
Keep going!
Uma maior.
Vai devagar.
É uma maior pessoa.
Acabou já. Você quer que eu vou pegar ele? Vou prender ele? Vou matar ele. Mentira, matar não, como se fosse assim. Então ele pegou, ele roubou a ajuda da mulher lá. Ele é ladrão. Mentira, gente. Vamos logo entrar na porta que eu quero logo pegar o George. Depois eu examino o carro dele. Eu tô dizendo, eu quero o George. Eu vou pegar o George. Eu vou prender o George. Meu Deus, esse carregamento chato de novo. Quando eu vejo alguém, você já fica com vontade também.
Come on. We can't stay here.
Hang on, I need a minute.
Okay.
Então, galera, a Rihanna saiu pra comprar comida pra mãe dela, que a mãe dela veio aqui chamar. Então vamos prosseguir só nós.
Shit. Hello, Big B. I hoped you'd come to your senses. Crooked man's the one you want. But of course, you're too much of an idiot to see that. Or maybe you just like me too much to let me go.
Please, Sheriff.
Haven't
Haven't you done enough? Look at him. He's dying.
You can't seriously want to protect this guy. You know what he did.
I'm not going anywhere. It isn't his fault.
He's a murderer. Faith and Lily, he's the reason they're dead.
Look, I know he made a few mistakes. We all have.
What? He made sure they couldn't talk with those damn ribbons, and then he killed them. You're wearing one yourself. Doesn't that bother you even a little, knowing that man murdered...
Of course it does. Those girls...
So it's all my fucking fault then?
I
You
didn't
fucking... Ah! You're gonna throw me to the fucking wolf too? You know I didn't have a goddamn choice. What the fuck? I did what I had to! You can't fucking blame me for that.
Don't give me that bullshit. You're responsible.
Like hell I am. Look, Faith and the others tried to pull a run on us. And as you can imagine, the crooked man wasn't too thrilled. But of course, the big boss didn't want to get his fucking hands dirty. So he told me to take care of it. You think I don't know what that means? Either I do what he says or I'm the one getting dealt with. So I fucking killed him. And I'd do it again. Cause it's not my fault. The crooked man gave the order. He told me to kill them. And then he fucking sold me out. You think that'll help? You still haven't learned, have you? Still the same old fucking moron. Go ahead and kill me then. But it won't bring back Lily or Faith. It won't free your friend Narissa. And I'm just the sap taking the fall for the whole thing. It must be so easy being you. Just come in here and blame me for all this shit. Job's done, right? George is the bad guy. It's all his fucking fault. But what was I supposed to do? You don't know what it's like, Bigby.
Toda vez que ele fala uma
You
merda
murdered
dessa,
Faith
eu
and
bato
Lily.
nele. Porque ele assassinou
fucking
a
ribbons
garota
around their
e ser
necks.
preso.
You
Agora
had
toda
the
vez que ele
power
fala
to
mais
let
uma
him go.
merda, eu vou bater
You
nele.
chose not to.
You don't know what the fuck you're talking about. If I freed them, what would you have me do? Kill her?
Georgie, don't.
It was them or Vivian. So you tell me, if freeing Lily meant she had to die, do you still think I had a fucking choice?
What are you doing?
What are you talking about?
This is the original. The girl with the ribbon. I'm sure you've heard the stories. Couldn't take it off, couldn't talk about it. She used her little purple ribbon to make more of them. To keep our girls quiet. To ensure absolute discretion.
You promised you wouldn't.
All that magic is connected to this little thing. You remove hers, and the spell's broken. They're all free. But you know what happens to her? The same thing that happened to Faith. So don't you come in here and tell me I fucked up.
What the hell, Georgie? We were supposed to look out for each other. I trusted you.
Wait, those were your ribbons? You're in on this? I thought you cared about them.
I do.
Of course I do.
You have to understand, nobody was supposed to die. When we built this place, it was just a stupid idea. A gimmick. Discretion is our guarantee. That's how it started anyway. This was supposed to be our place. We were going to be in charge for once, and nobody would try to control us or use us. That was the point. Then the crooked man showed up and everything just turned to shit.
So, do you get it now? Why I couldn't just... If you still think it's so fucking simple, then you do it. Go right ahead. Kill her then.
What are you doing?
Break the spell. Save the fucking day.
Stop it.
I told you. Sometimes all your options are shit.
I'm not playing this game, Georgie. I won't kill her.
Don't talk about me like I'm not even here, please. You think this is hard for you? My life is such a fucking burden on your conscience. Don't I get a say? It's my life.
Não, se você está
Like it was either of yours to give up in the first place.
I wasn't really.
Just shut up. What makes you think you can just...
Wait.
I'm sick of everyone
Ela vai se
thinking
matar?
that they can just do what they want with my life.
Não,
But
boy.
it would be different here.
Nossa,
But
Mike,
it's
pelo
all
amor de
the
Deus.
fucking same.
Vivian, I didn't mean.
Do you think I wanted to be this person? What I did to Faith and Lily? To all of them.
Vivian, wait.
Every day I have to look Gwen and Hans in the eye and pretend I don't care. I have to forget what I've done to them, what I took away from them. I look at Nerissa and I hate myself.
Vivian.
I can't pretend anymore.
What are you doing?
Vivian.
Não,
Don't
Vivian, não faça isso não.
Vivian, no! Fuck! No, 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 no! Why'd you have to do that,
não.
Vivian?
Chega agora, eu fiquei com
Vivian.
perna, viu? Tá feliz agora, João?
Now, is this what you wanted?
Vivian, I didn't fucking mean it. I was just... Oh!
Tá chorando, Felipe.
Fuck!
Get up. Get up.
Don't think so, Bigby. I'm gonna die here. I think we both know that. Just make sure you give the crooked man the same treatment when you find him. Really fuck him up for
Para
me,
ele,
alright?
isso pior, não se preocupe.
He's gonna have it worse. Don't worry.
Good. Old foundry by the river, alright? Shepherd Metalworks. He'll be there. Fucking asshole. You wanna finish me off now? Or do you plan to kick me around a little first? Rip my limbs off one by one? That's what you wanna do, right? Well, whatever it is, just get it over with. Ah! Shit, stop! Fucks to stop! At least you're consistent.
Você,
No more
João,
games, alright?
merece o mesmo
We both know how
tratamento
this ends.
que Lily fez. Você merece morrer com a sua cabeça arrancada.
Just make it quick. I know what I did.
All right, Georgie.
Só? Acabou? Ai, meu Deus, só. 2 pessoas morreram, meu Deus, só. A gostosa ali, ó. Tem valor esse final. Ou desempenho. Então, galera, o vídeo vai ficando por aqui. Espero que vocês tenham gostado. Por favor, curtam, compartilhem, se inscrevam no canal. E valeu!